Namaskar, this is Seshadri, HR solution expert, labor law advisor, and certified corporate trainer. This video consists of statutory compliance August 2024. As usual, this will have three parts. In first parts, let us understand the HR updates, circulars, whatever the updates came in July 2024 in HR. The second part will be statutory compliance August 2024, as well as third part training August 2024. Let us go through one by one. HR updates July 2024. The first thing is from EPFO. EPFO started releasing SOPs, standard operating procedures, how to handle the situation, the procedures they are releasing. In that part, one is freezing or defreezing of accounts, either it is a establishment account or individual UAN or MID. What is that freezing or defreezing? What is the purpose? The purpose is to avoid the fraudulent. For that only they have blocked. You know very well, after COVID, many around 3.5 lakhs UANs are blocked or freezed because of suspicion. So what we have to do? We have to only think all the SOPs for EPF officers, not for us. Only thing our part is we should understand anything, any account is blocked. We have to register complaints in epfigms.gov.in. You can find this website by Google typing EPF grievance portal. If you type, it will come. Otherwise, you can www.epfigms.gov.in. You can type and you can find. Maximum 30 days usually, otherwise sometimes 2 or 3 months also it may take. So whenever your account is freezed, immediately you file a complaint in this epfigms.gov.in. Second SOP is inoperative or transaction less accounts, where if the your account is under para EPF scheme para 72 of 6 comes, then it will become inoperative. What is that? If the member is died, or he went to abroad, or the account is no transaction for 3 years, like that it is there. It is defined in para 72 of 6. How to react for this? For that SOP is been released. For that also we have to register a complaint in epfigms.gov.in. In case if we are not able to do, because you don't know anything, some particulars are not available, you can go directly to the RPFO, or when the camps are conducted, there also you can approach. That's what it has mentioned in this SOP. Maximum 23 days it will be solved, your account will be open. Then exempted establishment, for that also inspection SOPs. What is that? Exempted establishments are when the EPF is managed by the trust. If your company is having trust and the EPF is managed by the trust, that time the inspection or verification to be some. Last year it was released RM5, that is audited balance sheet, as well as now it has been mentioned in that SOP RM6, that is a format for third party audit to be issued, that has been issued now. That is RM6 format for third party audit. In that all the procedures have been discussed. The next is member profile updation. The already 2 versions have been released with this SOP, member profile updation and joint declaration. In this third version, father, mother, spouse name, any updation is required. How to deal, that one has been updated. There will be treated as a minor change if the 3 characters only you are changing in that father, mother or spouse name. If it is more than 3 character or some other things you are changing, that will be treated as a major. So what are all the documents, how it will be, timeline in 7 days. That's what mentioned in this SOP. Detailed video of these SOPs will be presented shortly. You can watch and whatever the doubts you can enter. Next is Tamil Nadu Shop and Establishment Act. Under that registration process, it has been kick-started, and shortly the portal will be ready. Through that portal, we have to apply for new registration in Form Y along with the 100 rupees payment fees. The certificate will be issued in Form Z. The existing organization should regularize their registration applying through ZP. The same Z will be issued to them. The detailed video already given in that. Once the portal is ready, I will present how to apply in portal also. Next is ESI. In ESI, Aadhaar card will not be treated as a date of birth proof document. That's what released by ESI Corporation. This is in continuance with the Supreme Court's judgment, as well as Udai's circulars also. So other documents like school living certificate, passport, government ID cards, that will be taken for a proof of date of birth. It is effective from 23rd July 2024. ESI has released another circular regarding the coverable but not covered organizations. Some of the organization, knowingly or unknowingly, they are not covering under ESI. When the strength is crossed 10 or above, automatically it will be compelled to cover, mandatory to cover the organization under ESI. So for that, ESI is taking some of the actions. Nearly 1 year, some of the meetings held. With that, now the data has been collected. The data from the Industries Association, GST portal, income tax portal, licenses, whatever licenses, yellow pages, as well as labor identification number. With this, all the things they have taken, like PF number also. With that, they are going to do inspection wherever the coverable but not covered organizations. So they will come and verify your records, maybe your balance sheet, wage register, those things they will be verifying. What we have to do as per act, when the strength is crossed 10 or above, you are bound to cover under ESI. If before they come, better you can cover your organization if it is not covered. Awareness camp, already we know in EPFO, they are conducting awareness camp every month. Like that, ESA also going to do awareness camps. For that, some tie-up also they have made, as well as along with EPFO also they may come for awareness camp. Special desk, when the employee ESI covered insured person or dependent going for the hospitals, there they should not be they should treat properly. For that, special desk should be appointed in each enabled healthcare organization or hospital. That's what the circular given by the ESI to the empaneled hospitals. Verification, when the insured person is going for super specialty treatment, because this verification has been taken serious fraudulence, as well as due to the Delhi High Court's judgment, the first day itself insured person or dependents are eligible for super specialty treatment. With this, they want to do the strict verification scrutiny of all the documents when the IP is going for super specialty treatment. CPI, as of now, for DA calculating DA points up to May 2024, we have CPI number. Up to it was started around in April, it was 338. It has crossed now in May 350. With that, accordingly, we can calculate our DA points. Another good news from labor budgets. What are all the labor reforms announced in this budget? One is updating or revamping Shram Suvidha and Samadhan portal. These two portal will be a vital portal for in the future, because Shram Suvidha will be taking all other portals like PF, PSI, everything. One-stop solution for labor that will be made in eShram portal. In the same way, Samadhan portal also, there the all the conflicts, whatever the complaints, those portal also will be revamped for all purpose. That has been announced in this budget. And next, new schemes, incentive schemes for the employment generation. In that, first scheme is for first time employment coming person. That is first time only the person is joining into employment, getting salaries. For him, up to 15,000 rupees in 3 installments government is going to pay. That is a first month pay in 3 installments. The salary is up to 1 lakh. They are who are getting on the first time, they are eligible for this. As well as in scheme B, job creation. For that, incentive for employer and employees up to 4 years, EPFO is going to contribute their PF like ABRY scheme earlier when it was COVID. And the third scheme is to generate more employment only. Again, if your strength, your organization strength is some 300 or 400, if the more than 300 or 400 when you are hiring, that time government will reimburse the PF amount up to 3,000 rupees, whoever that is increased manpower. So these are all the 3 schemes. In this introduction video already available in this channel, detailed video will be presented shortly. Another good news, the employment. In May month, a lot of employment has been given. That is, many people joined in employment. total 23.05 lakh people enrolled in ESI. ESI itself, first time the people enrolled 23.05 lakhs. That much employment has been generated. If you see, out of 23.05, 11.15 lakh people are young people below 25 years, as well as 4.47 lakh women employees are there. It is a very good sign. Last month, May month, it was lot of employment has been generated. That shows this report. Employment data. There is an interministerial meeting held. The government approach to track the employment trends in various schemes and projects being implemented. Already we know national portal is there, like Naukri, Times Job, like that. Government also having the portal. In that portal, we can also, as an employer, also hire the people, as well as the people, employees also file their resumes also. Important judgments. First one is trainee not being an apprentice. When the person is a trainee, called as a trainee, but he is not an apprentice, but he is rightly eligible for gratuity, that is given by the Calcutta High Court. Relocation. When you are relocating, the office will not require the management to give notice of change of condition. Service condition, there is no change. That's why no need for change of service condition. That has been given by Madras High Court. Working for a long period as on contract cannot claim the regularization of employment, because when you follow the CLRA properly, you need not. That has been given by Calcutta High Court. Again, Calcutta High Court, the threat of withholding the promotion will not be treated as a sexual harassment. That has been pronounced by Calcutta High Court. Bombay High Court, workman has no right to cross-examine the inquiry officer when the inquiry was held to be a fair and proper. So the inquiry, domestic inquiry is happening. At that time, workman cannot claim, I want to cross-examine the inquiry officer. Another judgment from the Supreme Court, employees claim that resignation was not in office free will would not mean that it is forced. So when the resignation is, it is not free will, but as well as it is not forced. So indirectly we cannot take that has been forced. That has been pronounced by Supreme Court. So when the employee is not applying leave without proper information, that is a misconduct that we can take action against it. That's what Karnataka High Court given. Late submission of monthly returns in PF, that is definitely it is punishable, Calcutta High Court. Even the contractual employees are engaged by the principal employer indirectly are entitled to PF benefits. PF benefits, either it is a contract employee, they are entitled for that. That's what is pronounced by Delhi High Court. Maximum penalty for belated payment of wages act, as per that, after 8 years the claim is coming, for that maximum penalty you cannot put on employer. That's what Allahabad High Court has given. We will try to give that whatever the judgment in detail, because one line will not give clear picture to you. Just to create the awareness, I will try to put videos with the backgrounds also. So compliance for August 2024. This month complaints are very less. Usual complaints like PF and ESI only. PF 15th August we have to comply for the month of July. Either it is a monthly payment remittance, as well as international workers monthly return, as well as ESI monthly remittance also we have to finish on or before 15th August 2024. Trainings this month we have good trainings. One is labor codes are going to be implemented. We have to prepare ourselves as an employer. We have to prepare, HR has to prepare, employees also we have to make awareness, as well as contractors also should be prepared for this. So all the 4 parts we have to prepare ourselves for the new challenges and changes in the labor codes. For that, seminars have been organized in Coimbatore on 9th August as well as Hosur on 10th August. Please spread this information and get the knowledge all the HR community, because the HR community is going to create the awareness for the management as well as the contractor as an employee. So HR must understand what are all the changes and challenges in new labor codes. In Chennai, we will be having on 23rd August a good training, that is designing the salary structure according to the labor laws, labor codes, maybe with reference to income tax also, how to design a good salary structure. In Chennai, we have another technical program, APQP control from 3rd edition. Recently, 2 months back, APQP control plan has been revised. That is, edition is updated, 3rd edition has been released. According to all the technical people, either it is in new product development, quality, they must understand what is the changes in APQP and control plan, the challenges and changes we have to understand. For that, one seminar is organized in Chennai on 23rd August 2024. You know very well there is a virtual sessions are happening all Thursdays and Sundays. All the details are given in this picture, and details you can contact Mr. Dinesh 9790921284. So any services you want, you can utilize us. We are ready to serve. We are happy to serve you. Thanks for watching this presentation, as well as we will be sending this presentation to the already enrolled HRs. Anything, if you are not receiving this presentation, you can again text us or WhatsApp us your name, what is your mail ID, as well as the organization. We will try to push the PPT to you. Thank you. Thanks for watching.